Yeah, but I don't know what to say. You're not breathing in, no?
Sorry, mate, I am. Hi guys, Adam here from AB Campers again, and today we're going to have a look at our big green CNC machine.
And I'm Mick, and I'm the guy that runs the machine for Adam. It's working quite well, I'd say. Do you agree? Or?
Well, the machine is.
The anatomy of a CNC machine. Computer. Idiot. Control panel. Bed. Spindle. Tool, not to be confused with the idiot. Dust extractor. Up there, across there, down there, into there. Vacuum bed, two great big vacuum pumps at the back, suck the workpiece down onto the bed to stop it moving around. This is a 3-axis machine. The 3 axes are X, left to right, Y, backwards and forwards, Z, up and down. In there's the gubbins. Hang on. In there's the gubbins, they're really important, and also as important is a sandwich. Okay, so this is a van that we've started doing some furniture for. We put quite a bit large cabinet here. We don't know what it's going to be for yet. The customer hasn't decided, but we've got a space. As with all vehicles, all campers, storage space is all important. So we've got an area that's 280 millimetres wide by 1900 millimetres tall, and we're going to put some shelves in. A unit with some shelves, and the shelves are going to be slanting so that everything slides to the back and hopefully rattles around less as you're driving around. The design process is really similar to the way you do it if you're using manual tools. There's a bloke with a pen and paper. He'll do a sketch like this. I've done some measurements. I've got an idea in my head of what we want to do. And now, instead of taking it to a guy on a workbench with saws and routers, we take it to a PC and we do a drawing and send it to the CNC machine. Okay, so my sketch has come up to the PC, and the drawing really is simple. We break it down into component parts. We duplicate it. For example, there's 4 shelves, so it's one shape done 4 times. There's 6 fronts, so that's one small shape done 6 times. So there's a side with 4 angled grooves. We'll locate the shelves. This is Adam's new range of premium economy furniture. It's exactly the same material, it's the same trim, it's the same hinges, it's just a little bit simpler. When Adam tells you that we do everything in-house, we do everything in-house. Even these roller shutter doors, these tambour doors as they're called, we make here. So that is that furniture that we just looked at over there.
It's probably, although it's just a machine to most people, we were sat here last Christmas, whenever it was, and it was probably the biggest financial decision we've made in the business as a one-off. And it was a really big thing, because obviously it wasn't just the machine, it's building the extension for the machine to live in, it's having all the electrical work done, and it's knowing then that you've got the work for it, and obviously bringing someone like Mick into the business. So it was a massive decision for us, but it's completely transformed the way we are as a business. The actual cutting of the units is actually very similar. It's very similar to cut by hand as it is for the CNC machine to run. But Mick programs a CNC and it cuts it all automatically, whereas if you're cutting it by hand, you've got to make templates of everything first. So that's the time-consuming bit, is the preparation, and that's days to do what Mick can do in an hour. All the floors, all the ceilings, all the fillets for our pop tops, all the pop top beds. We obviously do all our own upholstery, so all of our boards for our upholstery, they're all cut on the CNC machine, which is all cut by hand before, or it was outsourced. So it's not even the bits, the furniture, the nice bits that you see, it's all the bits like behind the scene, building the van, bits behind all the carpet. It's just saved us days on every van, isn't it? The waste is probably half of what it was because, first of all, there's no mistakes with the CNC machine. It cuts it once and it cuts it right. But if I ask Mick to cut 20 panels, he can sit on the computer and lay those 20 panels out in the most efficient way. The machine will cut it with minimal waste, and especially Mick.
Yeah.
He doesn't like waste anyway.
Try and make sure there's very little waste. Waste's a killer.
He'll use every square inch of material, so yeah, it's a much better system. You are getting the sack?
Yeah.
Yeah, to be fair, you should be asking me a question. You should be asking about the new set of furniture that we're doing, the new range of furniture. So yes. Next month we're going to have, we've just done, me and Matt have just done what we call our premium economy design, which Mick started. He's just started doing that now. So at the moment we've just gone in the same direction we've been going in for like 4 or 5 years, which is probably bang in the middle, isn't it? Nice set of units, one design, different colours. Yeah. We have stuck with that one design because it's a design that works, but it's for a certain budget. So we've now gone for a premium economy range, which sits just below our standard range, doesn't it? But so it's missing a few bits, but to be fair, it's a really, really good set.
Still got the quality.
Yeah, still uses the same quality products, just slightly less of them.
Looks like that's all for today, guys. Thank you for watching.
Oh, fuck. Do it again.
Looks like that's all for today, guys.
You didn't say it this time. I was waiting for you to say thanks for watching.
Looks like that's all for today, guys.
Sorry, can we say this?
Thanks for watching. Looks like that's all for today, guys. Thanks for watching.
And remember, like and subscribe to our channel.